Hey there! Welcome to Olathe Ford Commercial. We're excited to introduce ourselves, especially if you're discovering us for the first time.
You know, Olathe Ford Commercial is actually the #1 dealer in the nation for commercial vehicles. We've been doing this a while, and we get what businesses really need.
From tough trucks to versatile vans, our fully customizable lineup has something for every type of business.
We're not just a dealership, we're part of your team. Whether you're local or all the way across the country, we're here to make the process simple and tailored to fit your needs.
We've built relationships with businesses nationwide, and we love seeing them thrive.
One thing that really sets us apart is we spec the truck, we upfit the truck, then we finance or lease the truck to you. But the day that truck goes to work, we're going to manage that truck and that driver throughout its entire cycle.
Here at Olathe Ford, we work with businesses of all sizes to help control operating costs while making sure your drivers are maximizing their uptime.
Maintenance management, tax, title, and license in all 50 states, telematics, we handle all of it.
Check us out online or swing by the dealership. We'd love to meet you and get you in the right vehicle for your business.